This is the famous garage door liftgate dent. We get this dent a lot. The garage door, the liftgate is open while the customer pulls out the car and hits that part of the liftgate. This is really common in Lexus RX models for some reason, but this one came out really nice. Customer was stoked on this repair, saved the customer thousands of dollars, because usually the body shop would need to replace the lift gate on more severe damage, but we were able to fix this one for them and save them some money and save them time and save their factory paint.